Hello guys, I want to share a quick video with you guys on this 2004 Dodge Journey. Uh, basically, customer came in the other day saying that her car wasn't idling right, was running rough, and basically had no power. So when I got in it to diagnose it, of course, check engine light wasn't on. I couldn't get no codes off of it, no pending codes, no nothing. When I gas, I definitely ran a little rough, almost like if it needed some kind of coil pack or a spark plug. Was one of the way it was idling was one of the cylinders was misfiring, but that would have definitely thrown off a check engine light. That's why I was kind of concerned why there was no check engine lights. So I kind of put that on the back burner. And what I did notice was right here in the corner, when you started the vehicle, this lightning lightning strike came up, and it kept flashing while the vehicle was running, on, off, on, off. That right there told me that something was going on with the throttle body, or possibly the pedal down here that is hooked up to the throttle body. When you gas it, obviously tells the throttle body how much to open the butterfly up. But the other thing that threw me off, that I kind of did not believe it would be the pedal, was because when I started the vehicle, the RPMs did go up to about 2.5, and then nothing more. Maybe sometimes 3, but nothing more than that. Gassed it all the way to the pedal to the metal, nothing. But I could play with it from like 1 to 2.5. Okay, I had a little acceleration between 1 to 2.5. So I kind of put the pedal thing to the side. I didn't believe that was the issue with this one, because most of the times, if you have, 10 out of 10 times, if you have nothing when you gas it, completely nothing, it would just start and that's it. You gas it, it will not go up to 1 or 1.5 or nothing. That's most likely what's going to be the issue, will be the pedal not sending your throttle body any signal. But in this case, I had to make a choice, and I made it with the throttle body. I believe that that's one of the 5 issues with this vehicle to begin with. One of the 5 problems that this vehicle has is the throttle bodies goes bad in them. Again, a lightning strike bulb will come up here. A lightning strike light will come up. Flash will go off. Flash will go off. When the vehicle runs, that's telling you that something is wrong with the throttle body. So I went and some people say, well, can you clean it? This lady here, because it wasn't a cheap fix. This lady here, I guess, I don't know, her husband must have told her, well, tell them if they could clean it. On some cars you can clean them and it will run, they'll start running good again. But on this Dodge Journey, forget it. It's an electrical throttle body. Most likely there's something wrong on the internal of the unit, so you have to replace the whole thing. So I just wanted to share that with you guys, if in case you're having the same issue. The RPMs will go up to about 2.5 to 3. It will have no power after that. Okay, that right there is the throttle body for sure. However, if you're having an issue where you start your vehicle and it has no power, no gas, the RPMs do not go up whatsoever, then I will lean more towards the pedal issue, okay, that is hooked up to the throttle body. But if you're having some kind of throttle and then all of a sudden it stops when about 2.5 to 3, that right there is pretty much the actual unit, the throttle body on the engine. I hope that helped you out. Throttle bodies are not cheap. You could probably pick one up for this vehicle for about $350, around that ballpark. And having somebody put on, you're probably looking even more money. Labor and all that included, you're probably looking about $600 if you want somebody else to do it. If you do it yourself, it's not that bad. There's only 4 bolts, the whole thing comes off. Of course, you got to take off your the tubing that goes hooked up to it, to your intake and stuff like that. But it's pretty simple to do. But anyway, I hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one.